Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn arithmetic operation in MySQL. This topic is very important for because of arithmetic operation are frequently used while performing calculations on data stored in a database. Before starting this practical, let's understand what arithmetic operations are. Arithmetic operations are used to perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finding the remainder between numeric values. The arithmetic operator available in MySQL. First is a addition, second one subtraction, third is multiplication, fourth division, and last one is a module or remainder. Now let's see how to perform this operation in MySQL Workbench. First, open Workbench and connect your local server. So already query 1 means MySQL file is selected. It's okay. Okay. Step 1 is a create a database. First we will create a database named arithmetic DB. Create database. Database name is a arithmetic DB. Okay. Execute this query. Okay, see here, one row is affected means our query is successfully executed. Show in schema, database is created successfully, but there is no any table. So first, before creating a database successfully, we need to select it for our work. Use arithmetic DB. Execute this query. Okay, query is executed successfully. Then second step is now we will create a table name numbers. Create table numbers. Open round bracket. Last semicolon is most important parts. Row 1, sorry, column 1, num1. Data type is a int. Second column name num2. Data type is int. Execute this query. Query is successfully executed. See here, our table is successfully created. Column is num1 and num2. In this table, we have created two columns. First, num1 store the first number and num2 store the second number. Next step is insert data into the table. Now let's insert some sample values like insert into table name is numbers. Values means rows 20, 10. See, data is successfully inserted. The value 20 stored in num1 and 10 will be stored in num2. To verify the inserted data using the select command, जो हमने प्रीवियस जो हमारे प्रैक्टिकल्स थे उसमें हमने देखा था कि हम कैसे सिलेक्ट को यूज़ कर सकते हैं और कौन कौन से तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट ऑल कॉलम्स किया है, तो हम देखेंगे. ओके, here output is num1 column 20 and num2 column is equal to 10. Now let's perform arithmetic operation on these values. डेटाबेस में कमेंट हमेशा डबल डैश से देते हैं. फर्स्ट इज एडिशन, operator. Symbol is addition. Addition used to add add two numbers values. So select num1 प्लस num2. तो बेसिकली हमें क्या करना था कि दो जो नंबर्स है हमारे या दो कॉलम्स है उनकी हमें क्या करनी थी, एडिशंस करनी थी फ्रॉम टेबल नेम नंबर्स. ओके, सी हियर 20 एंड 10 इज इक्वल टू 30. मैं एक यहाँ पे क्यूरी लिख के रखती हूँ कि हम टेबल को कैसे शो करते हैं. ये बार बार हमें उसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सॉरी, नंबर्स नॉट नंबर. ओके, num1 is equal to 20 and num2 is equal to 10. So यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, num1 प्लस num2 एज एडिशन किया था, तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए था, 30. तो एडिशन इज 30. ये एज क्या है, हमें कॉलम का नेम कुछ और देना है. अभी हमारे कॉलम का नेम क्या था, num1 और num2. इसके अलावा हमें कॉलम का नंबर क्या देना था, तो इसके लिए हमने क्या किया था, एडिशंस की थी. Second operator is a subtraction. उसको हम डिनोट कैसे करते हैं, इस सिंबल से, माइनस का. Subtraction is used to find the difference between two numbers. Select num1 minus num2 as subtraction. As subtraction means हमें कॉलम का नेम कुछ और देना है, num और num2 छोड़ के, from numbers. Okay, see here, और आंसर इज 10. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, जो 20 माइनस जो हमारा 10 था, तो उसे माइनस करके हमारा आंसर 10 आ गया है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड ऑपरेशन क्या है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेटर डिनोटेड इन स्टार. Multiplication is used to multiply two columns. So first is a select num1 into num2. यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट गलत हो गया, select num2 as multiplication from numbers. Okay, multiplication 200. So answer is correct. Then fourth arithmetic operator is division. Denoted by slash. Division is used to divide two values by another. So select num1 divided by num2 as division from टेबल का नाम क्या था, नंबर्स. So let's see, answer is correct. यहाँ पे पॉइंट थे, तो पॉइंट के बाद के जो नंबर्स है वो उन्होंने दिखाए, बट 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 2. सो आंसर इज करेक्ट. Then fifth is last one operator is modules. denoted by this symbol. So basically module is used to find the remainder after division. So select num1, module num2 as modules from table name is a numbers. So see, module is equal to 0. Since 20 completely divided by 10, the remainder is always 0. So modules is equal to 0. So all these queries display the original values along with the arithmetic operation results in a one table. So in this video we learn first what is arithmetic operation in MySQL, first addition operator, second subtraction operator, third one is a multiplication, fourth division, and fifth one is a modules. These operators helps us perform mathematical calculation directly on database values and are widely used to real world database applications. So it is most important part in MySQL. If you found this video is useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech with Pranita. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.